Hey y'all. So I'm having yet another garden fail slash garden problem. And it has to do with what I once called my pride and joy, my nectarine tree. She's betrayed me and she has a small problem. Not a small problem. It's a big problem. Actually, I don't know. Let me just show you. Baby girl has peach leaf curl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So apparently I'm gonna have to work hard for my nectarines this year because woof. Why me? So I showed in my garden tour earlier in the season that I do spray with copper, I do spray with insecticide, fungicide. Like I did everything Google and garden books say to do, and I still got peach leaf curl. So I then had to go back to Google, and the best solution that I found is to just pick off the leaves and watch it like a hawk and give it some extra fertilizer like nitrogen. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick off the leaves and hopefully contain this peach leaf curl so I can get some nectarines. I hope. So I just finished removing all of the infected leaves off of my nectarine tree and placing them into a bin that will go into the garbage, not the compost. And I'll show you what I got. So this is what I picked off, going straight into the garbage. And this is what it looks like now. So I did the best that I could. Basically, you want to make sure that nothing fell into the mulch here because it can harbor over and we don't want that. So just go through the mulch and make sure there's no fallen leaves or anything like that. So unfortunately for me, it's just been a really rainy season, kind of chilly, like 40s to 50s, tons of rain. It's rained every single day for the last 2 weeks, and it's just the nature of the beast. I mean, somebody once said to me that peach leaf curl is more ugly than it is harmful. So I'm really hoping that that's true. I really want a lot of nectarines. So what I'm going to have to do really is just keep an eye on the tree, make sure I remove any infected leaves, make sure it's fertilized and watered really well so it doesn't experience any other stressors. And I'm going to have to thin it pretty heavily so it can concentrate on giving me what fruit it does give me. It needs to concentrate on making sure that it's beautiful. It's sad. Okay. So that's it. Just wanted to show you how I handle peach leaf curl, and I'll see you in the next one.